Education Minister says some schools will reopen this week. Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon says some schools that were spared the full brunt of Hurricane Melissa can return to operation. Majority of those are in the eastern end of the country. Dr. Dixon says a final decision, though, will be taken by school leaders and will be done on an individual basis. School leaders will consider the availability of power and water at the homes of students and teachers, as well as school plans.
In the east, it may look okay, but there are many of our schools that had damage, that had flooding, and many of our schools don't have water or electricity. And having said that, also, our teachers and our staff, the auxiliary staff, all the staff at our school, many of them do not have water and electricity at home. And so what we've said is that the principals and the boards should take the decision, working with the regional directors, to determine when school opens. Some schools can open this week, some schools cannot. And so we are working with the leadership of the schools who understand what's happening on the ground to make those decisions.
Many schools in parts of central and western Jamaica have been ripped apart by Hurricane Melissa and cannot reopen.
Today, I have been visiting some of our schools, and I went to Homewood Technical and I went to St. Elizabeth Technical High School to see the damage at those schools. And along the way, I also saw many other schools that had damage. And so across the country, schools have damage. In the West, it is tremendous damage. And we won't be able to reopen school for a while. We have a committee that's working to look at how we can bring school back in the West. Some different strategies you can use. We're using experts like UNICEF to help us to think through what that could look like.